If you can't focus anymore, you're not lazy. Your brain is just used to easy hits. Phone, videos, games, caffeine, snacks. So normal work starts feeling annoying. So here's how to fix that without doing anything extreme. Dopamine is not happiness. It's more like do it again. It's what teaches your brain that was good. Check again. One more. And when your day is full of easy hits, your brain starts expecting more. So boring stuff, cleaning, studying, work, gym, feels way harder than it should. So the goal isn't to kill dopamine. The goal is to stop letting easy hits run your day. Here are 3 quick signs this is happening to you. 1. You can't start boring tasks. You keep saying, in 5 minutes. And those 5 minutes turn into an hour. It's not hard. You just avoid it. 2. You check your phone without enjoying it. Open, close, open again. You're not even looking for something specific. You're just checking because it feels like something happened. 3. Silence feels weird. You need noise for everything. Eating, showering, even walking. And the second it's quiet, your brain starts reaching for a screen. All right, here's how to fix that. Problem number 1, morning phone. If the first thing you do is grab your phone, your brain starts the day already distracted. Then it's harder to stay on one thing. Work feels harder to start. Studying feels harder to stick with. Fix. First 30 minutes of the day, no phone. Bathroom, water, stretch, get dressed, make your bed. Just do something simple first. The first 2 mornings feel a bit weird. Good. That means your brain isn't getting its usual hit right away. Next one is what keeps the whole thing alive all day. Problem number 2, constant checking. Most people don't have a phone addiction. They have a checking habit. You check notifications, you check messages, you check apps you don't even care about. And half the time, nothing is there. You still checked. That's the problem. Your brain never fully settles. It's always waiting for the next little update. Fix. 2 check windows per day. Short, like 10 to 15 minutes. 1 around lunch, 1 later in the day. Outside those windows, don't check. If it's urgent, they'll call. Now the bigger issue behind all of this, problem number 3, no boredom. If you never let yourself be bored, you lose the ability to focus. Because focus is staying with something even when it's not exciting yet. But if every tiny gap gets filled, phone, videos, music, scrolling, your brain gets used to constant input. So the moment things go quiet, it feels wrong, and you reach for something. Fix. 10 minutes a day with nothing. No phone, no videos. Sit, walk, look outside. That's it. Your brain will complain at first. That's normal. But after a few days, it gets easier to start tasks. And then at night, people undo all of that with one habit. Problem number 4, the bed scroll. This is where a lot of people mess up. Scrolling in bed keeps your brain awake right before sleep. So you fall asleep, but you don't sleep as deeply. Then you wake up tired. And when you're tired, your brain wants the easiest option. So you reach for the same stuff again. You scroll, snack, watch random videos. Whatever gives you a quick hit. Fix. Don't keep your phone right next to your bed. Put it on charge a bit away, like on a desk or a shelf. If you can, even in another room. And set a simple rule. No scrolling in the last 30 minutes before sleep. Do anything else. Shower, stretch, pack your stuff for tomorrow. At night, keep it simple. Here's the last one. Problem number 5. You never finish anything. This one is big. A lot of people spend the whole day starting things. You sit down to do something, then you stop. You begin, then you drift. You keep starting. New task, new idea, new plan. It feels like progress, but nothing gets finished. And that's the dopamine trap. Starting gives you a tiny hit. Finishing gives you the real one. If you only chase the start hit, your brain keeps asking for next, and you never feel done. Fix. Finish one small thing every day. Not a huge thing, something small you can actually finish. Do a short workout, even 10 minutes. Clean one small area, like your desk, floor, or sink. Prepare one thing for tomorrow. Clothes ready, bag packed, water-filled. Because finishing is what tells your brain, done. And when your brain gets that signal, it finally calms down. Quick warning. Most people fail for two reasons. One, they go extreme. They try to change everything in one day, and that lasts one day. Two, they rely on willpower. Willpower works when you feel good, and then life happens. You're tired, you're stressed, something goes wrong, and suddenly your plan disappears. So don't make this a whole new lifestyle. Do the smallest version that still counts. Pick one fix and stick to it. It won't solve everything, but it will break the cycle. Quick recap. Dopamine isn't happiness. It's what trains your brain to go, do that again. And when your day is full of easy hits, everything else feels harder to stick with. So here's what to do. Don't start the day on your phone. Stop constant checking. Get 10 minutes of quiet every day. No scrolling in the last 30 minutes before sleep. Finish one small thing daily. Simple beats extreme. If this helped, subscribe and tell me in the comments, which one is your biggest problem right now? Because yes, fixing your dopamine is really not that hard.